This video illustrates the capabilities of our tactical language and culture training system. The content shown comes from the current field release of Tactical Iraqi and the Tactical Dari courses. Tactical Iraqi has 47 interactive scenes and dialogues. In this scene, the trainee's player character is talking to a shopkeeper in an attempt to locate a tribal leader.
لازم أحكي وياك.
شو تريدون منا؟
The shopkeeper has said, "What do you want from him?" The trainee's spoken response
نريد نساعدكم تأمرون البلدة.
is recognized by the automated speech recognizer and is shown at the bottom of the screen. In this scene, the trainee is talking with an individual in a crowd control situation. The menu in the lower left corner displays the possible conversational moves that the trainee can make. The trainee can choose not only what he wants to say from the range of possible choices, but how he says it, as each line can be expressed in many ways. Furthermore, the trainee can interact with multiple virtual humans in the same scenario, giving him various opportunities to practice his conversational skills in dialogues with different characters. Our courses also contain detailed lessons that teach trainees the language and culture skills most critical to successfully completing their missions. For example, Tactical Iraqi has 52 lessons, comprising over 2,000 lesson and exercise pages, and covering a vocabulary of over 2,000 Iraqi Arabic words. We are currently expanding this curriculum by 50% in order to prepare trainees to pass an oral proficiency test at an intermediate level. The vast majority of these lesson and exercise pages require trainees to speak Iraqi Arabic, giving them ample opportunity to practice their spoken language skills in an encouraging learning environment. Here is one such lesson page. Wherever you see a microphone icon with a blue waveform over it, the trainee can practice speaking into the microphone and receive immediate feedback from the automated speech recognizer.
أنا اسمي جون.
Note that the page contains Arabic script, phonetic transcription, and English translation. We use color coding to highlight meaningful correspondences between the Arabic text and English translations. Note also that the Arabic text is colloquial, not modern standard Arabic. The word ani is particular to the Iraqi dialect. Our courses support dialogue in a range of registers that differ in degree of formality. For example, Tactical Iraqi trainees learn both formal and informal greetings.
شكرا. أحكي شوية عربي.
عافية عليك.
To complete each dialogue, the trainee must speak for the player character. At each turn in the conversation, the trainee has an array of lines to choose from. The virtual humans in the scenario will respond differently according to what phrase was spoken and how much cultural sensitivity the trainee displays in his speech and gestures. Trainees practice developing rapport with local leaders, adults, and even children. Characters may react negatively to the use of inappropriate terms of address, among other things. Our courses provide trainees the opportunity to practice language enough to see their performance improve. Instruction pages and unscripted encounters with virtual humans are broken up by focused exercises that emphasize different language skills and detect common learner mistakes. In this tactical Dari exercise, the trainee must explain to his counterpart that another Afghan is helping them. Note that the trainee's spoken utterance had a grammatical error. The system detected it and provided guided feedback. This illustrates how we employ speech recognition technology not just to evaluate the trainee's ability to produce sounds, but their ability to produce grammatically correct statements in the target language. Our speech recognition detects a wide range of errors, including pragmatic errors such as improper forms of address, semantic errors such as word confusion, syntactic errors like incorrect word order, and morphological errors like incorrect verb inflections. In this exercise, trainees practice discriminating the apical r and the velar r and Arabic.
نغى.
Trainees speak the sound in repetition.
نغى.
Each time, the meter at top
Nara.
indicates how close it was to the target
Nara.
sound. The green zone on the left indicates that the sound was a well-formed
Nara.
r. The green zone on the right
Nara.
indicates a well-formed r.
Nara.
The meters at the bottom of the page indicate
Nara.
the trainee's overall performance throughout the exercise. This particular trainee is able to pronounce r, but has difficulty with pronouncing r. Although most of our users train on PCs, the system's architecture is not limited by them. We are currently developing a web version of our courses called Waylay. When completed, Waylay will be SCORM compliant and easy to integrate into web-based learning portals.
جلابة.
Our web platform has the added advantage of easy prototyping of new page types.
Oh.
This new page type is a cultural object identification page, in which the
Na'am.
trainee can click on objects and learn their names in the target language.
ميلة.
Finally, we are pioneering the use of handheld devices such as the iPod to provide trainees with sustainment training when they have no access to a computer. The iPod version of our courses delivers video dialogues, lesson pages, glossaries, and reference materials just like the PC version.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
أنا النقيب ستيفن بلانكو. هذا معاوني العريف توم جونسون وهذا الدكتورة ميري سميث.
أنا نقيب شكير عبد الله وهذا معاوني العريف كريم سلمان. شو تسوون بهاي البلدة؟
نريد نساعدكم.
أهلا وسهلا.
Some key differences include lack of speech recognition capabilities and voiceover narrations that compensate for the small screen size. Our current customers include the United States military, Australian Defence Force, and British Armed Forces, as well as other international organizations. This concludes our short tour. For more information, visit adf.tacticallanguage.com.